Let's learn how you can lock your Instagram application with Face ID on iPhone. This is a great little trick that will help you guard your privacy, and you'll prevent other people from accessing your Instagram app and seeing your messages and other stuff. Without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first thing that we will do is to open the Shortcuts application on our device. If you don't have the Shortcuts app installed, you can go over to the App Store and get it for free. So after you open the Shortcuts, we will open the automation section down here, and then we will have to create a new automation by clicking on this button. Search for app in the search bar, and click on this specific shortcut that has this little arrow icon at the left side. That is what we are going to need. The next step is to click on this choose option, and that's going to open the list of all the apps that we have installed on our iOS device. You want to select Instagram from this list, since that is the app which we want to lock with Face ID. But you can also use this trick with other apps as well. So after we select the Instagram application, we have to make sure that this is opened option is checked, because we will run the automation and lock Instagram as soon as we open it. Select this run immediately, and make sure that the notify when run option is disabled, because we don't want any notifications every time we open Instagram. Now, we can click on the next button at the top, and we can continue to the next step. When you get to this page, tap on this new blank automation button, select the add action button, and then search for lock screen. You want to click on this button under the scripting section that has this little lock icon. And just tap on done. It says here that when Instagram is opened, lock the screen. So when we try to open our Instagram application, the phone will automatically lock our device, and we will have to open it by scanning our face. This way, if someone tries to open your Instagram application, then will automatically be locked out, and they can't access it without a face scan. And that's how you can lock Instagram, everyone. If this video helped you out and you want more similar videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.